Ever dreamed of opening your own store? Selling your handmade crafts or vintage finds? These days, starting an online business feels easier than ever. But what if you crave that in-person customer connection? Can you have the best of both worlds? A thriving online store and a brick-and-mortar presence? Absolutely. And that's where Shopify comes in. It's a popular platform for entrepreneurs to build their online stores. But did you know Shopify offers a point-of-sale system too? Shopify POS lets you manage your in-person sales seamlessly, keeping your inventory and customer data all in one place. But here's the question that keeps a lot of new business owners up at night. Does Shopify POS take a percentage of my sales? The answer, it depends. Shopify doesn't take a straight cut of your profits, but there are transaction fees associated with using their platform. Understanding these fees is crucial because every penny counts when you're just starting out. So, let's dive into the details and shed some light on those Shopify POS fees. Breaking down the Shopify POS fee structure. First, it's important to understand that Shopify has tiered pricing plans. These plans offer different features and functionalities, and the transaction fees you pay are tied to the plan you choose. The three main plans are Basic Shopify. This is the most affordable option, but it comes with the highest transaction fees. For online sales made through Shopify payments, you'll pay 2.9% plus 30 cents USD per transaction. Shopify. This plan offers more features than Basic Shopify, and the transaction fees are slightly lower. For online sales through Shopify payments, you'll pay 2.6% plus 30 cents USD per transaction. Advanced Shopify. This is the top-tier plan, packed with features for high-volume businesses. The transaction fees are the lowest of the three plans, at 2.4% plus 30 cents USD per transaction for online sales through Shopify payments. Now, here's the good news for brick-and-mortar businesses. The transaction fees for in-person sales made through Shopify POS are generally lower than online sales. Across all three plans, you'll pay a flat fee of 2.5% per transaction. But wait, there's more. About fees. It's important to remember that these transaction fees are just one piece of the pricing puzzle. There are also credit card processing fees to consider. These are separate fees charged by the payment processor itself, like Visa or MasterCard. These fees typically range from 1.5% to 3% per transaction, and the exact rate will depend on your chosen payment processor and your negotiation skills. Shopify also offers the option to use a third-party payment processor instead of Shopify payments. While this can sometimes lead to lower credit card processing fees, there's a catch. Shopify charges an additional 1% transaction fee for sales made this way, making the math work, choosing the right plan. So, with all these fees floating around, how do you choose the right Shopify plan to maximize your profits? The key is to consider your sales volume. If you're a new business with a low sales volume, the basic Shopify plan might be the most cost-effective option, even with the higher transaction fees. This is because you'll save money on the monthly subscription fee compared to the higher tiers. However, as your sales volume increases, you'll likely reach a tipping point where the lower transaction fees of the higher tier plans will outweigh the increased monthly cost. Do some calculations to estimate your projected sales and factor in the different fee structures to see which plan makes the most financial sense for your business. Beyond fees, the value of Shopify POS. It's important to remember that transaction fees aren't the only thing to consider when evaluating Shopify POS. The platform offers a wealth of features that can streamline your business operations and ultimately help you grow your sales. Shopify POS itself doesn't take a direct percentage of your sales. However, transaction fees are an inevitable part of the equation. By understanding the tiered pricing structure and factoring in potential third-party processor fees, you can make an informed decision about which Shopify plan best suits your business needs. Remember, the key is to find a balance between affordability and functionality. Don't be afraid to crunch some numbers and see which plan offers the most bang for your buck. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.